So let's talk about what makes you look weak as a man that all men should avoid, most importantly in this day and age. In today's world, how you carry yourself plays a huge role in how people see you. Confidence, strength, and a good sense of self are qualities most guys want to project, but sometimes we unintentionally give off the wrong vibe. There are certain habits and behaviors that can make a guy seem weak, even if that's not the reality. So in this video, we'll talk about 3 common things that come across as weak and how to avoid them to give off a stronger, more confident impression. Hi everyone, this is Stroll Star and welcome to my channel. Number 1, poor body language. How you move, stand, and make eye contact says a lot about you before you even open your mouth. Bad body language can make you look insecure or uninterested, which gives off weak vibes. But with a few small adjustments, you can turn that around and look more confident and self-assured. Most importantly, your posture. Slouching or hunching over instantly makes you feel less confident. Standing tall with your shoulders back, head up, not only helps you look better, but also show that you're comfortable in your own skin. It's a simple way to change how people see you, and it's something you can start working on right away. Eye contact. Avoiding eye contact can make you seem unsure or nervous. I remember when I first moved to this country, really, eye contact I realized is very, very important. Even if you don't feel that way, when you look someone in the eye during a conversation, it shows that you were engaged and confident. It doesn't mean you need to stare them down, but holding a steady eye contact shows that you're not afraid to put yourself out there. Fidgeting and nervous gestures, constantly moving, playing with your hair or tapping your feet can make you seem anxious or uncomfortable. It's a distraction and can make others feel uneasy around you. If you're prone to these nervous habits, try to be aware of them and practice staying calm and still. When you move with purpose and intention, people notice and it gives off a much more stronger, more composed energy. Number 2, which is very significant, is having a victim mindset. One of the biggest things that can make a guy seem weak is constantly playing the victim. This is when someone blames everything that goes on in their lives or wrong in their lives on other people or bad luck. If you're always complaining about your circumstances or thinking life is out to get you, you might come off as someone who lacks control or responsibility. If you're constantly pointing fingers at other people when things don't go your way, whether it's a co-worker, your boss, or your friend, it can make you seem like you're not in control of your own life. Strong guys take responsibility for their actions, even when things go wrong. Rather, focus on what you can control. Shift your mindset towards finding solutions and taking ownership of your choices. Negative self-talk, constantly putting yourself down or saying things like, I'm never going to be good enough, creates an aura of defeat. People pick up on that and it makes it hard for them to see you as confident and capable. If you catch yourself thinking or saying negative things about yourself, try flipping it around. It's all about believing in your abilities, even when things don't go as planned. Fear of failure. Everyone fails at some point, but guys who are afraid to take risks or try new things because they might fail often seems weak. It shows a lack of resilience and the fear of stepping outside of your comfort zone. Real strength comes from taking risks, failing, and learning from it. When you embrace challenges, even if they don't work out, it shows you're not afraid to grow. And most importantly, not controlling your emotions. Managing your emotions is a big part of being seen as strong. It doesn't mean you shouldn't feel things or show emotions, but how you handle those emotions matters. If you're someone who flies off the handle over small stuff or shuts down completely, it can make you look weak or immature. If you tend to lose your cool over little things like bad traffic or disagreement or someone calling you out, it can come up as a lack of control. While it's normal to get frustrated or upset, learning how to keep calm under pressure is key to looking and feel stronger. When you react calmly to tough situations, people see that you're someone who can handle whatever comes your way. Letting emotions control your decisions. Making decisions based on purely emotions can lead to some regrettable choices. If you act impulsively out of anger, frustration, or even excitement without thinking things through, it can make you seem unpredictable or reliable. Taking a moment to weigh your options even when you're feeling emotional shows maturity and control. On the flip side, bottling up all your emotions and pretending you don't feel anything can also come off as weak. It's okay to be vulnerable and show emotions when appropriate. The key is finding balance, acknowledging your feelings while still being in control of how you express them. Here's my final thought. It's all about balance, guys. The things that make a guy seem weak usually comes down to lack of balance. Whether it's your body language, your mindset, or emotional control, the good news is that these are all areas you can work on. Standing tall, owning your actions, and learning to manage your emotions are simple ways to project strength and confidence. It's not about pretending to be tough all the time. Real strength comes from being comfortable with who you are, taking responsibility for your life, and handling challenges with grace. When you can do that, you'll naturally give off a vibe that others see as strong, capable, and confident. So focus on finding balance in these areas, and you'll not only feel better, but also project the kind of strength that truly matters. And this is my video on what makes you look weak as a man. Click the link below, subscribe to my channel. Your support, your like goes a long way and helps me tremendously. And this is Straw Style signing out. Grow, start, and refine always.